Hey Siri, yo mama is so fat. When she sat on Walmart, she lowered the prices.
Your mom is so fat, she sat on a rainbow and Skittles came out.
Yo mama is so stupid, she brought a spoon to the Super Bowl.
Your mom is so fat, she sat on the back of the bus, and it did a wheelie.
Yo mama is so ugly, even Fix-It Felix couldn't fix it.
Your mom is so fat, when she fell, no one was laughing, but the ground was cracking up. Your mom is so fat, Thanos had to snap a couple of times to get the fat off of her.
Alright, we're done. Comment if I won.
No, subscribe if I won.